Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mission Control. The other day I was in the northern part of the island where I live, and I did some observations which I find very telling. So let me show you what I got and which conclusions we can draw from it. The view is absolutely beautiful up there, and for the last few days the weather has been extremely clear. I can't recall ever seeing such a sharp horizon, so I just had to take advantage of that. My girlfriend and I went for a long walk, and I brought my binoculars and phone. 24 kilometers from the coast is a small island called Christian's Island. About 90 people live out there, and the whole island is protected, so it's kind of like a living museum. I took interest in the island because you can't see it if you stand by the shore, but for every meter you climb in altitude, more and more of the island becomes visible. So on that fine day, I filmed through the binoculars from different locations and elevations. On Christian's Island, there is a tower with a lighthouse on top. I'm going to use that as a reference. The tower itself is 24 meters in diameter and 16 meters tall, including the lighthouse. The base of the tower is elevated 17 meters above mean sea level, so the total elevation is about 33 meters. The pictures I took range between 6 and 37 meters of elevation. I've aligned them all, and this is what it looks like when we compare them to each other. So what's preventing me from seeing the island from low elevation? And why does it gradually come into full view when I rise in altitude? Well, a bulge of water seems to be in the way. So let's use Walter Bislin's advanced Earth curve calculator and see if it matches my observation. At 6 meter elevation with standard refraction, 14.5 meters should be hidden by the bulge. That is in total agreement with the picture. The next picture was taken at 13.5 meters of elevation, and the calculator says 6.6 meters should be hidden. That's a pretty close match too. The last picture was taken at 37 meter elevation, and the calculator says there shouldn't be anything hidden. And that matches the picture perfectly, because now we can see the entire island. If the Earth was flat, then the horizon should be 6 meters above the tower, and at no point in time should the island have been obstructed from my view. Perspective doesn't allow it, so that's why flat earthers came up with flurspective, where you can't have rules or formulas, and where there is no predictive power nor correspondence with reality. I believe this was another safe landing for the Globe team, so stick around for the next mission.